Alright, so I have the arrow wing shape. Is this a standing desk? Is this a studio desk? What the hell is this? Let's try this again. Alright, so I have the arrow wing shaped studio desk here from Eureka who? Ergonomic. Alright, so I have the arrow wing shaped studio desk here from Eureka Ergonomic. I guess before we go over all the specs and features of this thing, we gotta put it together. So let's go ahead and start doing that. I got a timer here. I'm thinking less than 2 hours, hopefully. But either way, let's just go ahead and start this instead of major, not. Please? There you go. Timer started. Let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. 27 steps, 28. That should be easy. Step 1. It comes all up labeled in these like little tray thing here. That's nice. That should be easy to figure everything out here. What's wrong with me? Don't answer that. Sorry for this angle over here. Let's put this to the side. Alright, I gotta get that guy up here. No. Okay. It's been an hour yet? 40 minutes. That's not, actually not that bad. That's gonna be an hour already. It doesn't look like you can swap beside the controller. Luckily, I like it on the my right side, which is the right side here also. But if you want it on the left side, you can't do that with this desk. But we'll see if that'll be an issue later. I don't think it would be, but I know people have their preferences. Let's get up here, but this is not done yet. This is a long desk. All right. 70 minutes. All right, step 19. How many steps did I say there were? 28 steps, huh? Almost done. This is a giant mouse pad that goes over the whole desk. All right, so 104 minutes, that's about an hour, 45 minutes. Let's clean up all these wires. I gotta take off the double-sided tape to stick these lights up under here. My cable management is horrific. But yeah, let's clean this all up and then we'll go over all the specs and features of this desk. I'm exhausted. So this is the Eureka Ergonomic Aero Pro wing-shaped standing desk. I've been using this for a few weeks now and ended up making it my main editing desk. Now before I talk about my experience and how I'm using this desk, let's first go over all the features that the Aero Pro has. So this is the longer 72-inch version of the Aero Pro. There's also a shorter 63-inch version and they both have a desk area 23 inches deep. Due to its shape though, it's 29 inches deep from front to back. It's wing-shaped so everything faces the user, which makes it easier to reach around the desk to grab things. The surface is made of wood while the base is made of alloy steel. It's not a lightweight desk at all at almost 100 pounds. There are 3 colors of this desk, walnut, maple, and black, which is the one I have here. It's a standing desk so you can adjust the height from as low as 29.5 inches all the way up to 48 inches. It uses a dual motor lifting system that has a lifting capacity of 220 pounds, so let's go ahead and test that out. Okay, so the lifting capacity of this desk is 220 pounds. I'm like 100 pounds less than that. But let's go ahead and test it out anyways. I got it at the lowest right now. So let's go ahead and get on here. And then let's go to the highest height. Got a preset number 3. And I am about to get off camera. Let me lean down here so you can still see me. Oh no, this is not a good pose. Okay. Oh, I'm really going away. Let's get lower. You can still see me. Oh no, there you go. It can easily handle 120 pounds. But let's go ahead and get this back down because I don't like being this high. And there you go. Oh no. I've triggered the safety mechanism. Please let me go down. It's good to know though that it has a safety mechanism. Did I already talk about that? If I haven't, I will. Everything is operated by this controller that lets you save up to 3 preset heights. I like to set it to my sitting height, standing height, and then a height just high enough to tuck my seat under it since the keyboard tray actually sits a little lower than the main desk. The desk has anti-collision, so it'll stop and rebound back up when it hits resistance. On each side of the desk are slots to hold your phone or tablet. It even has a cutout at the bottom so you can feed a charging cable through it. Underneath the desk is an adjustable keyboard tray to easily store away your keyboard when you're not using it. I recently discovered that it can rotate by accidentally bumping into it. I was given the desk with the accessory set, so I have a few more things than if you just get the standard version of this desk. The first thing that you'll notice are the 3 shelves up here that can move onto different sections of the desk. I like it how it is, but you can also move the 2 shelves on either side. Each shelf can carry up to 30 pounds. Those shelves also have RGB light strips beneath them that help liven up the desk. It's controlled by these 2 buttons that are mounted on the end. One button is to turn the lights on or off, and the other is to cycle through the 14 different modes. There's also an illuminating function that lets the lights enter white light mode. Next is the full desk mousepad. Yes, the entire 72-inch desk is basically a huge mousepad. This is going to be awesome for first-person shooters or real-time strategy games. And if that mousepad wasn't enough, it also comes with a keyboard tray mousepad. So this entire desk is basically one gigantic mousepad. There are 2 cable management trays, one on each side to conceal all your cables, or you can even fit a power strip in there. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with cable management lessons, so let's not talk about my cable management skills. On the left side of the desk is the flexible dual desk hook. This is perfect for hanging headphones. And the last thing in the accessory set is a cup holder that's installed on the right side of the desk that can rotate away. It's great for holding your water bottle. Who am I kidding? It's perfect for holding your can of Monster or even your coffee mug since it has a cutout for the handle. Now I know this is more marketed as a gaming desk, but I'm using this as my editing desk. I was using another standing desk that's the same length as this one, but after I put together the Aero Pro, it felt like it was going to be the perfect editing station. I don't know how to explain it, but the way that this desk is designed and set up helps me focus more when I'm editing. One issue that I have with it though would be the keyboard tray sitting a little lower than I'd like. It is adjustable, but I wish I could set it a little bit higher because I tend to hit my knees on it when I'm moving around. Another issue I have is with the controller to adjust the desk height. On my other standing desks, you press it once to wake it from sleep and then adjust the desk height. With this one, once you press the controller, the desk will move to whatever you pressed. So if you don't know what section of the controller you're pressing, or even if you accidentally tap it, the desk is going to start moving. I wish this was a wake from sleep before adjusting the height, rather than a mystery game on what height will your desk be at. Other than those minor issues, this is going to be my permanent editing station going forward. My old flat standing desk has been relegated as a product holding desk for my other YouTube videos. Anyways, if you're interested in picking up the Aero Pro, I'll have it linked in the description. Do I have a promo code? If I do, I'll make sure to note that down there too. And if I don't, oops. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can find some cable ties or wraps or something to help with my cable management. Or if someone out there wants to help me out with this, hit me up. No, seriously, I need help with it.